Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So I'm so excited about today's video because I've gotten so many questions about my hair lately, and I wanted to show you guys how I transformed it into this beautiful color for the summer. So let's go ahead and jump into the video. Alright Bear fam, meet Kat. She is literally a hair goddess. So she actually works for Bellami's hair, their pro line, and she's gonna show us how she gets down with them beads and that color today on my hair. She is blessing me with both and I'm so excited. So let's go ahead, let's get started. So the first step Kat is doing is basically she's gonna be removing my old hair extensions. Kat is seriously so talented. She only takes like 20 minutes to remove like 500 beads from my head. This woman is so fast. I used to get my hair done back in the day. My mom actually used to do it for me, and I swear it would take like 7 hours. I've definitely upgraded my life. Sorry mom, but Kat is too poppin' and never going back. Alright guys, so it's time for the fun stuff. So the first thing that Kat decided to do was basically a color remover. She thought it would be a great start to begin stripping away any old color that I had in my hair. I don't know if you guys remember, but I actually used to have really dark black hair for like most of my life. So we definitely had to remove some of that Walmart dye I still had in my hair. Now, this is applied all over my hair, and basically we're gonna wait for it to process, get a little bit lighter, and then we're gonna wash it out and continue the hair transformation. So we're gonna wash it all out, then we're gonna dry it, and then we are going to prepare it for the the bleach. Yes guys, we're using bleach on my hair. Now, bleach can be super scary, but it honestly is the main step needed to get my hair poppin' and on point. So I'm not afraid to use bleach. Just trust the process, guys. It definitely helps you get to where you want to be. So Kat basically is going to do some highlights, and then she's also going to be painting some pieces to help give me that balayage effect. That's kind of what I wanted to go for. I wanted it to look nice and blended. I didn't want highlights. I just wanted it to kind of melt into my hair. Oh my god guys, do we see my little ramen highlights I have going on right now? When she showed me my hair and how light it turned, I was so excited. Normally my hair pulls super warm and red, and she worked her magic to get it super yellow blonde, which was exactly what I wanted for this hair transformation because I hate red hair on me. So I definitely wanted to pull more caramel rather than red undertones, and she nailed it as usual. Kat, you are fire. Honestly guys, I cannot believe how much my hair has grown. Like literally, do we see these inches? Like they are there, they are poppin', they are long and strong. Now you guys, I know there are so many steps, and please follow along my friends. Being poppin' takes a lot of work, we all know that. Now Kat is basically going to be neutralizing my roots and making them melt into my highlights. I wanted to keep my roots darker so I didn't freak out as my hair got lighter. I feel like in the past I've gone lighter too fast and it just really scared me. So I wanted to transition to it slowly, and I feel like this was the best decision I made. Yay guys, thanks so much for lasting this long because now it's time for the magic blowout. This is where we see the color, and honestly I can't explain how much blowouts changed the game. I go from top ramen noodle head to a Pantene Pro V commercial, and it is literally life-changing. Kat is gonna give me a little trim on my split ends just to make sure that my hair stayed luxurious and fly, and you know it doesn't break as I wash it in the future. Alright guys, so this is a wrap. This is the most talented human on earth. I've got my hair done a billion times in the past and no one's ever given me exactly what I wanted but her. So I'm gonna put her handle, her Instagram, everything in the description so you guys can come to this girl, because I promise you, you will not leave. I don't know what it was, disappointed? Yeah! I'm so obsessed with my hair right now that I can't even focus on what I'm saying. The whole point is, guys, this is a wrap of the first part, and then the next part is gonna be extensions, which is like,
that's my jam.
She is going to go crazy, and
we did all this so we could do extensions.
I cannot wait. Honestly, it's gonna look so good. So make sure you guys stay tuned for the next part of this video, and I love you and enjoy this Victoria's Secret hair. It is is day number 2. I'm so excited. This is where you guys see the rest of the magic happen. Kat's specialty is basically extensions, and she legit mixes so many colors to give me the most magic, amazing hair. So the extensions that we're using today are the eye-tips and tape-ins from Bellami hair extensions. You guys, when I say this hair lasts so long, I don't think you guys understand. You can literally style it, wash it, and it looks fly all the time. So I absolutely love Bellami, and I 100% recommend them for long-term extensions. Alright guys, so Kat basically started by adding some of the tape-ins to the back for thickness. I always like to have the bottom of my hair a little bit thicker. I don't know why. We've kind of always done that since I've gotten my hair done. Then she begins kind of weaving through different shades of caramels and browns and blondes, and I'm so obsessed. So we went with at least 4 shades to give my hair dimension and make it look lighter without having to over-process my hair, because I definitely wanted to go lighter, but in little segments. I didn't want to kill my hair all at once. It took so long to grow. So I love the fact that these extensions create the illusion without having to damage my hair that much. Alright guys, so after we finish the extensions, it is now time for Kat to shape my hair, and she uses the razor and scissors to kind of just give it texture and dimension. I wanted to go shorter this time with my hair because ever since I started my fitness journey, I love putting my hair up in a ponytail or a bun, and I don't like it to get in my way or feel too heavy. So I definitely wanted something that was more manageable so that I could pop, lock, and drop in the gym, because you already know that's what I've been doing for the past couple months. Stay tuned for that. So now Kat is going to be giving me her famous beach waves, which honestly she's tried teaching me a billion times, but I am so hair challenged that I'm never going to learn. But yes, here they are. Super poppin', sexy beach waves. Oh my god, guys, this is my hair. I am legit speechless. Kat and Bellami always come through. I can't think of a better duo. I've never been so excited to have light hair, and I can honestly see this lasting for a really, really long time. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys liked today's hair transformation. Love you guys. Bye bye.